Welcome back, Weather World. My name is Oakland. I'm a forecaster at WeatherFlow, and I'm here to bring you all our weather word of the week, heat index. On warm days, the heat index is the temperature that we actually feel. The heat index is different than the temperature that you might see on your phone or from a thermometer reflecting the temperature outside, because it takes into account the relative humidity in the air. The heat index is normally hotter than the actual air temperature because when the air is more humid and also hot, it makes it harder for the sweat off our body to evaporate, and sweating is how we cool. So if we're struggling to evaporate that sweat from our body, then we're struggling to cool down, and then it feels hotter than it actually is. If we look at this chart from the National Weather Service, we can see how we combine temperature and relative humidity to calculate a heat index. As an example, a few days ago, the air temperature in Boston was 86 degrees, and the relative humidity was 57%. So from this chart, the heat index should be somewhere between 89 and 91 degrees, and the National Weather Service recorded the heat index as 90 degrees. Therefore, it felt like 90 degrees, even though our thermometers were reading 86 degrees. Heat index is an important temperature to consider, particularly in the summer months when planning outdoor activities. Because even if the temperature says it's in the 80s, it could actually feel like it's in the 90s, and that can have harmful effects on our body if the proper precautions are not taken. Thanks for watching this week's Weather Word of the Week, brought to you by WeatherFlow.